Breaking news, it's Dubplate Wars Dawn of Dawns Round 3. Welcome to Dubplate Wars Round 3, where the top contestants from rounds 1 and 2 will battle it out for a chance to make it into the finals. The competition has been fierce so far, but only 4 producers can advance to the finals. Who will it be? Tune in at 8 p.m. on Sunday GMT to find out. The Chatbox crew have been very impressed with the skill and creativity of the contestants so far. They will have a tough decision to make at night. It's round 3 of Dubplate Wars and the stakes are higher than ever. The contestants have submitted their best dubplate. Who will come out on top? The tension is mounting as the scores are tallied up. Who will be the winner of round 3 and move on to the finals? You will have to tune in to find out.